Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a high-level probe is underway following Saturday night's gun attack of a policeman and his family. The cop and his 5-year-old son, who were shot and wounded, remain hospitalized. The police have since released the identity of the deceased woman. Kimberly Petty reports.
I'm standing at the location here along the Reading Main Road in St. James, where tragedy struck last night, where a constable and his family were shot at.
She has been identified as a 36-year-old Latoya Stevenson, HR manager from West Village, St. James. According to police reports, the cop drove to the Reading Main Road in the vicinity of Elevate nightclub, where he awaited the arrival of a man to pick up a key from him. The report said the individual arrived and Stevenson exited the vehicle and retrieved the key. However, as she was in the process of returning to the vehicle, the occupants from the car she collected the key opened gunfire at them. Stevenson sustained gunshot wounds to her upper body, the cop to his back, and their 5-year-old son sustained a bullet wound to his head. He is said to be in critical condition.
Now, we spoke to an eyewitness earlier today who told us that he saw the lawman along the main road stopping vehicles and yelling out for help. But after seeing a gun, he wasn't sure of what was transpiring, and so he opted to leave. However, he went and alerted the police to the situation.
The vehicle the policeman and his family were traveling in was riddled with bullet holes to the rear windshield and to the front left window. 14 9mm spent casings were retrieved. Meanwhile, investigators are searching for a man and a female believed to be a person of interest. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.